What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to add a stock to your watch list on Yahoo Finance. Now this is a super helpful tool if you want to track some individual stocks and also get some notifications when they're up or down or there's any news on the stocks. Even if you're already invested in them, this is still great to see if you want to stay continued invested in them. So once you have your Yahoo Finance opened up, you're going to head over to the home page. It should already be on the home page once you open it up. And scroll down a little bit until you find the list section. And there's going to be a watch list. Mine already has 3 symbols, but obviously if you're watching the tutorial, you probably have none under your symbols. So you're going to click it, and it's going to have 0 symbols. And then you're going to click the add symbol button right below the name of the watch list. Then it's going to take you to that screen here where you could search whatever stock you want. I just added Realty Income, a great stock by the way. And there you go, it should be added to your list now. As you can see, the golden star at the top of the screen, parallel to the O, that is the abbreviation, the ticker for Realty Income Corporation. That star is going to signify that it is on your watch list, and then you'll be able to just go to your watch list and also receive notification updates whenever it's up or down or any news comes out regarding the stock or REIT. Yahoo Finance also gives you the ability to have multiple watch lists. So if you want to separate your watch list by account or brokerage or based on your strategy, you're able to do that as well. It's super helpful, and it is a super helpful tool to managing your portfolio. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, be sure to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Da 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 da.